In this video, we shall be looking at the Euro USD from the daily time frame to analyze what the market may be doing this week. So if you are trading Euro USD, this is a video you must watch to the end so that you get a comprehensive analysis of the Euro USD and how to trade this currency pair this week. This is Mobile Trading Academy, where we simplify Forex trading, helping Forex traders make money from the market. So if you're new to the channel, kindly hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next videos. So from the daily time frame of the Euro USD, you can see here is the daily time frame. If you look at the current trend in the markets, we can see obviously that we are in an upward trend. Let me explain. An uptrend is marked by higher highs and higher lows. So when you see the market making higher highs and higher lows, then that market is in an upward trend. Okay, now but there are a few things you must understand about market structure. This is an inside high or interior high, and this is an inside low or interior low. This is an inside high because it did not take off the previous higher high. Now we've established that the trend currently is an upward trend. However, we're seeing that the price seems to be breaking below this internal low. Because of that, some people will be saying that there is a change of structure here, but that actually is not the case. You can only be talking about change of structure when the market begins to violate outside lows, not inside lows. So this is the outside low we've identified that led to this high, which I have explained the reason why this is not an outside low, because it was formed from this inside high. So the main outside low now is this very low. So this is where we will be looking at today or this week to see if the market is going to violate it. If we see the market break below this area between 1.1493 and 1.1468, so within this area, if we get a break below this area, then there is a change of structure and we could be seeing the Euro USD gearing up for a massive reversal. But as long as this low remains intact, then we may get another push up to reclaim this internal low that have been broken. So when we reclaim it, then we may see the price begin to move up. But if we get a break below this point, then we may see the price drop into these areas, first to this key level here, this previous low, and then we may see a bounce back towards those areas before we see a continuation in the downtrend. So that is what we can see from daily time frame. So if we come to the 4 hours time frame, just as we've identified from the daily time frame, we are now seeing the market violating this higher low. So but to be on a safer side, it will be very good to wait for this break here or to see if we'll get a bounce. So if we get a bounce from here, that will show that there is a sweep of liquidity below these lows. Maybe the market makers just swept the liquidity here and now decide to push the market back up. So what will determine where the Euro USD will be going next is what happens between 1.1493 and 1.1468. That will be a deciding factor for the Euro USD to know if we're continuing in this upward trend. That is exactly what I'm looking at in the Euro USD. I hope this helps you to take a wise decision trading this currency pair this week. Thank you for watching. Ensure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next video.